Hi folks, Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of January 12th, 2015. That is not right. It's 2016, folks. Um, well, I'll just leave that there. Trust me, it's 2016. The charts we look at come from the Trade Navigator software, and we're going to look at the weekly bond market chart. This chart just absolutely fascinates me. Right around here, the green line, blue line, and everything that all intersects right there, that's right about where the Fed raised rates. Now, everybody on TV that I heard and all the media people said that bonds were just going to fall out of bed once the Fed started raising rates, and look at what we have here. We have them holding the support in the 155 area here, which, they could have broke down to the 153 area pretty easy, but no, they're holding 155. They seem to be going up through the resistance or potential resistance at 5620. And they're up here dealing with the projected high, which is up above 157.16 and above this old high here and flirting with these highs back here. Boy, they look pretty good. Of course, this is all one great big gigantic sideways pattern going way back to the middle of the chart here. So it's not like they've done anything spectacular, but the fact that they're holding up so well when everybody expected them to be going down, I make of that what you will. But again, resistance 5620, nope, doesn't seem to be holding that. They're up here trying more like 5720, and we'll just have to see. Again, they're dealing with other highs back in this area, but boy, they look good, don't they? They just look like they have the potential to go. Of course, any kind of surprise from who knows what, crude oil, Iran, you name it, anything could cause a turn down. But I'm just impressed. They look good. Stocks do not. As you can see, last week was just a really, really serious drubbing here. You'd have to expect with them dropping this far that they really want to go test these lows back here from the middle of last year. I'm not sure how fast they could get there. They don't have to go straight down there, but they don't look really good. This week, gosh, we're looking at support down here around 1867 and resistance around 20 or 60. That can't be right. That's got to be lower like 1980. Gosh, I'm sorry, my figures are wrong. That's 1980. So, bottom line, 1867 to 1980, I think there's a good chance that they don't trade either of those this week. They've had quite a bit of volatility intraday, but as you can see, this week's pretty pale compared to last week. And a little consolidation for this huge move down makes perfectly good sense. Again, in the big picture, it sure looks like they want to go test these lows. If they turn back up from here, I'd be a little surprised. I think they got to go lower first, but not necessarily this week. This week, consolidation is probably the order. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved